Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to create a Mogo account. Creating a Mogo account is a straightforward process. The first step is to visit the Mogo website or download the Mogo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app or are on the website, you'll need to sign up. You can either use your email or mobile number to get started. You will be prompted to enter some personal details, such as your full name. Next, you will set up a password for your new account. After this, you may be asked to provide additional information for verification purposes, which can include your social insurance number and a valid Canadian residential address. This is a standard procedure to comply with financial regulations and protect against fraud. The process is designed to be quick and easy, with many users getting a pre-approval in just a few minutes. Once your account is set up, you will be able to access Mogo's various financial services. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.